If you've ever found yourself setting up the same project over and over again in Asana, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a project template in Asana that you can reuse anytime, saving you both time and effort. By the end of this guide, you'll have your very own customizable template ready to go. Let's get started. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see all your projects and tasks laid out. From here, the first step is to create a new project. Just click on Add New Project and give it a clear, recognizable name, something that makes sense for the type of work you'll be reusing. Once the project is set up, look for the Actions menu, usually shown as 3 dots at the top right of your project page. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Save as Template. Select that. This is where Asana converts your project into a reusable template. Next, you'll be asked to set privacy preferences. You can decide who on your team can edit or use this template. For example, you might want everyone on your team to use it, but only certain people to edit it. Choose the settings that best match your workflow. When you're happy with your choices, click Create Template. Now your template is officially saved. To find it later, head to your workspace and click on the All Work tab. Inside the Templates section, you'll see the one you just created. You can open it, make edits, or adjust the details to fine-tune it for future use. And once you're done, just hit Save so your changes stick. That's it. You've successfully built an Asana project template. With this setup, you'll never have to waste time rebuilding the same project structure again. It keeps your team consistent, organized, and way more efficient. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.